Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my 360 era review. We're going to be talking about 360 era, and also most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with 360 era. 360 era launches on the 22nd of December by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a cloud-based software, and it allows you to build 360 degrees virtual tours and product spins. Now all this happens on the cloud-based software, and it also allows you to embed this on unlimited websites. So you get access to a number of tools. Actually, you get access to find stock images, you get access to download stock videos, you also get access to image editor, you also get access to video editor that you can actually use to customize the content you will be able to create using the 360 era software. So you get access to thousands of pre-made HD video templates. Now, the cool thing about 360 era is you don't need to be a professional to be able to create professional 360 degree content with the cloud-based software. So right now I'm going to show you the custom bonuses that I'm giving you in addition to 360 era, and also most importantly, I'm going to let you see how 360 era works. So the first bonus I'm giving you, you're going to be getting access to a video training where I'm going to be showing you how to create videos without having to show your face on camera. I understand so many people want to make money online because they already know that videos, gives you some high conversions, and there are ways you can actually make money with videos, but they are not so comfortable with showing their faces on camera. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this and how to use completely free tools to create videos that anybody can create because they are so easy to create, and how to make money with these videos, especially on YouTube. Also, bonus number 2, you are going to be getting access to a video traffic software that allows you to use other people's video to drive a ton of traffic to your affiliate links. Now, this does not require video creation at all. All you need to do is log into the cloud-based software, search for videos based on keyword, and this works in any niche, and then you can actually pick a video you want, add your links on top of these videos. Now, how do you do that? You can actually upload images. These images are going to show up on these videos during the playback of these videos, and when people actually click on these images, it's going to take them to your links. Not only that, you can add call to actions, you can add opt-in forms on top of these videos that you pick to use. Now you are going to be getting access to the upgrade that allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Also, plus number 3, you're going to be getting access to a collection of PowerPoint video templates. Now, the cool thing about these video templates is that they do not require any special software for you to make videos with these templates. All you need to do is load them up in PowerPoint, and then you can actually customize them, customize text, customize images, and hit the export button to get your MP4 videos that you can use on any social media platform: YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, or any other video project you are doing. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to a Facebook traffic software that allows you to drive unlimited traffic from Facebook in any niche, and also allows you to put the whole process on automation. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that gives you done-for-you high-quality product reviews from ClickBank and Warrior Plus. Now, all you need to do is go and get your affiliate ID, add it to your profile. Now, all the done-for-you high-quality product reviews become active with your affiliate links. Now you get access to free traffic right in the cloud-based software, and also you get access to free traffic training that shows you how to drive unlimited traffic to maximize your profits. Also, bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images that you can go and use on 360 Era to drive a ton of traffic. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic to any link. You are going to be getting access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze pig templates that you can use to build your list. This allows you to build curiosity. People will need to give you their email addresses before they see what you have on the other side. You also get access to lead magnets that you can actually use. These are freebies you can actually give away to make people give you their email addresses. This way you can actually build your own list while making money with affiliate offers. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses. And there's a ton of bonuses you are going to be getting from the vendor. Just to let you know that in addition to my own bonuses, you are going to be getting the vendor bonuses also. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of 360 Degrees Era, where you're going to be able to pick up 360 Degrees Era, and then you are going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says, world's #1 AI-based 360 degrees virtual video tour and product spin builder platform at a low one-time price. Get instant access to the world's first AI-based 360 degrees virtual tour and product spin platform to create unlimited profitable videos in any niche in just 30 seconds. So feel free to come check out this sales page in your own time. Once this goes live, 22nd of December by 11 a.m. Eastern time, you're also going to find proof of results right here on this sales page. So shortly you're going to see how 360 Era works, but right now I'm going to show you the pricing for 360 Era. So the front end that gives you access to a ton of features goes for a one-time fee of $17. Now there are some optional upgrades like the Pro version that goes for $37. You have the Ultimate version that gives you advanced background remover tool. You have the 360 Era Agency Edition that goes for $47. You have the Tunes Edition that goes for $67. And then you have the white label that goes for $97. So that's going to be my review of 360 Era. Right now you're going to see the full demo of 360 Era.